Encourage auto repair shops every year, twice a year, to increase their labor rate. And here's why. If you don't pay attention to what the market is doing and what your competitors' labor rates are, then you can very easily just ignore your labor rate, go, you know what, if I'm at $65 an hour, that's fine, I got tons of customers, except you're not making any money. And then all of a sudden, you're at $65 an hour, you need to get to $155 an hour, and you're not going to do it. So every year, I want you to mystery shop. If you need help with that, let me know. Mystery shop your competitors. Find out what their labor rates are, what's their average labor rate, and make sure that your average labor rate is somewhere within $5 of your competitors. You don't have to be the most expensive. I don't always encourage that. I got clients that do want to be the most expensive and they're good with it. And that's fine. It works for them. I also, though, do not ever want you to be the cheapest. It attracts a part of the market that you don't want. You can't make any money off of it because it comes with all this other stuff that eats up time in your day. It is okay to make money. All of us have to make money. We're businesses, right? And expenses today, if you hadn't noticed, they're climbing up and up and up. And so your labor rate, your pricing needs to change at least twice a year. If you do it twice a year, your customers aren't going to feel the pain, all right? We'll talk about individual service pricing in a different segment.